Okay, I'm back. So for this one, the paints are mixed the same. I'm going to use, and they're all Mont, black, white, red, it's brilliant red, lemon yellow, ultramarine blue, and a mix of the green and white, the sap green and white. So it's going to be a ring pour, and it's going to be split. One side warm colors, the other side cool colors. So it'll be white, blue, and green on this side, or one side, and red, yellow, and black on the other. And I haven't done one of these before. So I'm going to start with the white and black. Okay, and we're back. So I'm going to pinch the cup there. It's center-ish. And I guess, yeah, I'm gonna pour. So the warm colors took over, but once I stretch it, I bet we see more of the cool colors. Why are you sticking? Okay. Okay. Oh, that's definitely cool. I like that. I messed up my center, but that's okay. I wish I would have overlapped them a bit more, because that would have given it more of a 3D effect if you overlap your rings. So let's give it a torch. I'd also like to do this as a straight pour, but not with a dirty cup like I tried with that other one. Obviously, because you have to split the colors and everything. So using the same basic method, but not swirling. Just pouring it straight. It's pretty cool. I definitely want to try it again and try to get a different effect. It's very spacey over here. That's cool. But I guess that's it for today. That's 2 pours for you. Neither of which were super exciting or anything, at least to me. But that's okay. Sometimes you lose. And I didn't really lose. They're not like failed pours, but they're just not what I was wanting. They're still cool. I'm still going to let them dry. I'm not going to scrape them. Anyways, I appreciate you watching, checking out the channel. Please subscribe and comment and like and all that good stuff. It's super appreciated. And make sure to check out the description for the link to my Facebook page, which you can follow. I'm also going to add the link to my Instagram, which I just started here recently, about a week ago. But I figured I should probably put that in the description as well. Follow those, check them out. And I will see you next time. Bye!